Hello Motomotive enthusiast, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of small displacement and beginner bikes that offer more than meets the eye. Whether you're a first-timer on two wheels, a recent graduate of an MSF riding course, or a returning rider looking to get back in the saddle, these bikes are here to impress. Number 5. Let's start with the 2024 Honda Rebel 500, a cruiser that packs a punch. With a 471cc parallel twin engine delivering ample power and torque, a comfortable 27.2-inch seat height, and a weight of 408 pounds, this bike offers a great balance of performance and ease of handling. Features like mid-mount controls, ABS, and a slip and assist clutch make it a standout choice in the cruiser category. Number 4. Moving on to the nimble and fun 2024 Honda Grom, this lightweight pit bike surprises with its versatility. Powered by a 124cc air-cooled single engine and paired with a 5-speed transmission, the Grom excels in urban environments. With a 30-inch seat height, 224-pound curb weight, and standard ABS, this bike offers a thrilling ride at an affordable price of $3,599. Number 3. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke challenges the notion of a beginner bike with its hooligan spirit. With a manageable engine, peak power of 44.3 HP, and a weight of 364 pounds, this bike is ready to unleash its full potential. Updated for 2024 with a new frame and enhanced features like cornering TC, ABS, and adjustable suspension, the Duke appeals to riders seeking a sporty and dynamic ride. Number 2. For those looking to experience small-bore racing, the 2024 Suzuki GSX 250R ABS offers a fully faired quarter-liter machine with sport bike-inspired design. Featuring a fuel-injected 248cc twin-cylinder engine, quality components, and comfortable ergonomics, this bike is a great choice for riders stepping into the track day scene. Number 1. Lastly, we have the 2024 Yamaha MT-03, a naked bike with a punchy 321cc parallel twin engine and agile handling. With a sleek design inspired by Yamaha's MT lineup, this bike offers a versatile and exciting ride for both urban commutes and spirited rides through twisty roads. Features like inverted fork, standard ABS, and user-friendly pricing make the MT-03 a top contender in the entry-level segment. Whether you're a new rider exploring the world of motorcycles or a seasoned enthusiast looking for a fresh ride, these bikes offer a mix of performance, style, and value that cater to a wide range of riders. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.